This is the second video on the series of Language Learning 101, and today I want to talk about linguistics. So the way our program went in school was that we did courses on grammatics, phonology, semantics, and pragmatics. What else? Did syntax, and I don't know if I'm missing something. I think I'm missing one, but it doesn't matter. So basically, this is very interesting, and if you end up learning this stuff, you will really enjoy it. But if you don't, I think what you want to take out in general is that the human mind is able to learn language. So anyone who screams to you that you are unable to do this, and as an adult you can't learn another language, and it's too late, and too bad, and all the stuff, it is not true. But it does require all the habit forming stuff that we talked about last time. So briefly, phonetics is kind of the study of sounds in languages, and there's something very interesting that if you want to look it up, it's called the IPA chart, which is the International Phonetic Alphabet, I think. A is for alphabets, yeah. And it kind of just shows all the sounds that may appear in world languages. So very interesting stuff. Phonology is kind of like the patterns of phonetics. So what sounds can come near each other in different languages. So I don't know if I have an example right now, but basically you can't just randomly say things and it would be like a word or a sound that you would hear in a specific language. So I don't know if this is like the perfect example, but for the word, I don't know, chilling, I don't know. So this ch sound is something that we hear in English, the l sound. So if you see a word like this or sounds like this, you might say, oh yeah, that sounds like English. So chilling, filling, I don't know. You get the point. And then this happens in different languages. So you could look at data of like a bunch of like words and stuff, and kind of try to like figure out what the pattern is in that language. Think of an example in Arabic right now. No. Semantics is like the study of meaning. So things that have meaning, we don't just learn sounds. Eventually you form words out of them, and then they have meanings. And I think I should just mention this one here, that there is a social meaning to words. Sometimes there is a usage. Okay, so for example, we know that the word chilling can mean, I'm just chilling, I'm relaxing, as opposed to the main meaning, which is, what do you think? Yeah, basically like the weather. And then filling as well, used in different places. Different meanings will come to your mind. So just a disclaimer, I haven't done like a formal review of this material right before this video, but basically this is what I remember. And one of the habits I want to form is to be able to practice what I've learned before a bit more. Syntax is like sentence forming, or I think I know which one's missing now, so but I'll write it in a bit. Sentence forming, and maybe like grammar might come to mind. So that's pretty self-explanatory. When you're learning a language, you want to kind of go little by little to grasp the different meanings. But what happens is you might get bored because as an adult, you know, might get bored. But again, you might be able to look for patterns if you are some kind of fast learner. The one course that I'm missing is it's the one for words. Oh man. Morphology. Okay, so this is the study of words. So this is not, this one I would take this and take it up here because this is how we learned it. Okay, so yeah, and then I did not think of an assignment, but you could think about your language and see, like where, what you could say about these things, in terms of your language. And because I like to work with people when it comes to like their jobs, you could think of words that you only use in your job, jargon and things like that, that only mean something in your job place. Just think about this. I think this is my assignment for you. Think about phonetics, think about phonology, think about morphology, and if you have any questions, well, let me know. Thanks for watching.